Hi guys, my name is DJ. Today I made this aeroplane. Once you check, I kept one rod, weightless rod. This is I made in boxes and motor also there. This motor speed is 1400 kV motor. Means you want this one want 40 amps and battery also. Battery is 11.1 volts and they want tail two servo motor, one one servo motor there, another servo motor this way. And inside I want to fit motor wires are there, AC and battery I want to fit and can ready to fly. Yes, check it out. It's ready to fly now itself. Fine, let's go.